Welcome to ezAccounting. Please follow these simple steps to smoothly install our accounting software. If you are a new client, you are welcome to experience ezAccounting risk-free with our free demo version. No credit card required. Step 1. Prepare for installation. Ensure you're logged into Windows as an administrator or a user with installation permissions. Step 2. Download ezAccounting installation package. Visit the ezAccounting download page and click Download ezAccounting. Once the download is complete, open your browser's download file list by clicking the download icon. Launch the installation by clicking on ezAccounting setup.msi. Step 3. Install ezAccounting. If you encounter an alert stating that ezAccounting is not listed in the Microsoft Store, confidently click Install Anyway to proceed. Navigate through the user-friendly ezAccounting installation wizard. Accept the terms by clicking I agree on the license agreement screen. Choose whether to install ezAccounting for yourself or all users on the computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process seamlessly. Step 4. Accessing ezAccounting. A desktop shortcut will be created for easy access. Click it to run ezAccounting payroll software. If you're a new client, find the Help option in the top menu for a quick start guide. Trusted by thousands of clients for 2 decades, ezAccounting is the right in-house accounting solution for small businesses needing to document and report on incoming and outgoing cash flow, including sales, receipts, payments, and purchases. It also supports payroll processing and tax form printing. Should you ever need assistance, visit the support page on the Half Price Off site. Our team is dedicated to promptly helping you. Thank you for choosing ezAccounting. We look forward to making your business management efficient and reliable.